In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find leads in Zoho CRM. Whether you're a seasoned CRM user or just getting started, knowing how to sift through your leads efficiently is crucial for successful customer relationship management. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can tailor your lead search to your specific needs using Zoho CRM's powerful features. First, let's navigate to the Leads module. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Filters dropdown, or if you prefer, you can click on the funnel icon. These options will allow you to refine your search and narrow down potential leads that meet your specific criteria. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance, but this functionality is quite intuitive once you become familiar with it. Now, in this step, we can start adding filter conditions. Perhaps you're interested in finding leads with a blank email field, or maybe you're targeting leads whose phone numbers contain a specific sequence, like 0917. You might also search based on the lead source, for example, those that originated from your website. These filters are incredibly useful because they allow you to hone in on exactly what you need without wading through irrelevant data. What makes this process even more robust is the ability to combine multiple filters. This is where the real power of Zoho CRM shines. By specifying several conditions, you can execute a precise search that aligns perfectly with your sales strategy. For instance, if you're targeting a specific region or lead source, you can stack those filters to zero in on the exact segment you're interested in. Once you've set up your desired filter conditions, it's time to save this filter for future use. Click on the Save Filter option, and a prompt will guide you to give your custom filter a name. Think of this name as a bookmark. It should clearly represent the criteria you set, helping you recognize and select it easily when needed later. After you've named it and saved, this custom filter will be conveniently available under the Views menu. By storing these filters, you save time and ensure consistency in your lead search efforts. The next time you're in Zoho CRM and need to access the same leads, you won't have to reapply all of your filter conditions manually. Instead, just navigate to Views, select the saved filter, and voila! You have your tailored list right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a straightforward process to effectively find leads in Zoho CRM by utilizing its filtering capabilities. By taking advantage of these features, you'll not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance your productivity and effectiveness in managing customer relationships. Thanks for watching and enjoy mastering your lead searches in Zoho.